Welcome! Today we're unboxing the HTVRONT A100. It's a brand new heat press, bringing automation to more ways to create. Perfect for DIY creators looking to explore more possibilities and small business owners. With just one machine, you can handle multiple creative projects with ease, while enjoying the convenience of automation, professional-level performance, and a smoother workflow. In this video, we'll cover three main parts. 1. What's in the box? 2. Mode switching. 3. Heat plate installation and removal. Now, let's get started with the unboxing. First, you will see a quick start guide. We recommend taking a few minutes to read through it first. It will help you get started quickly. Next, we have the heat press mat, along with a thoughtful pair of heat-resistant gloves. Then come the cool accessories, the large head heat plate, and the head heat plate base. Here is the 20-ounce tumbler heat plate. And finally, the start of the show, the A100 main unit and the 12 by 10-inch heat plate. That's everything the 100 brings to your creative journey. Next, let's take a look at how the A100 switches between different modes, using the most common t-shirt mode as an example. While the machine is in standby mode, first make sure the heat plate connector is disconnected. Press and hold the mode button to enter the mode selection interface. When the icon flashes, short press to select t-shirt mode. Then press the start button to confirm. Here comes the magic. The machine will automatically adjust to the optimal height for the selected mode. For safety, after height adjustment is complete, the machine will automatically return to standby mode. The same operation applies when switching to tumbler mode and head mode. For a more detailed tutorial, please watch our full instructional video. Finally, let's learn how to install and remove the heat plates. First, align the heat plate mounting block with the main unit lock slot. Lift it upward until it securely locks into place. Then place the heat press mat onto the ironing board and attach the 4 stripes to the hooks on both sides. Press the tabs on both sides of the module, align it with the main unit lock slot, and smoothly slide it into place. Finally, lift the tabs upward to secure the module. Align the lower right corner of the head heat plate base with the marks on the board, then rotate it counterclockwise until it locks into place. Finally, align the heat plate with the lock slot and lift upward to secure it. Once installation is complete, connect the heat plate connector to the machine, following the arrow indicators. Want to switch to your next creative project? Removal is just as easy. For safety, all 3 heat plates share the same removal preparation steps. Make sure the machine is in standby mode. Disconnect the heat plate connector and wear heat-resistant gloves to avoid burns. First, unfasten the 4 stripes and remove the heat press mat. Then press the release button to smoothly remove the heat plate. While pressing the release button, push down the tabs on both sides and pull the tumbler module outward. Pull out the ironing board and rotate clockwise to remove the base. Then press the release button to remove the heat plate. Now you're familiar with the machine. Let's start creating. We can't wait to see what you make.